Having trouble going viral on YouTube or TikTok? Stick around because I think this might help. The last 6 months, I've been running my digital marketing agency and coaching people how to get more views organically for brand awareness. If you want to see the full tutorial, it'll be up on my YouTube, but here's a quick little rundown. So, step 1 is relevancy. Nobody wants to watch a video that's irrelevant and boring. So pick a trendy topic, or if it's related to your business, think of a product that you produce that is your best seller. After all, people are taking time out of their day to watch your video. Now step 2 is crucial because an unplanned and ugly video is unplanned and ugly. Before you start recording, get a script for your video. Personally, I like to use captions to write my scripts because they come up on the screen like a teleprompter and my eyes don't move too far away from the camera. Play with the lighting a little bit too. You want your whole face to show and you want to look good, obviously. So, step 3 is filming the video. When you're ready, open the camera and start recording. Try to make the video as visually engaging as possible and add some trendy music or effects or transitions when necessary. I use CapCut for the video effects, but don't use a thrown together template with some music because remember, you have to put yourself in the shoes of the viewers. Make sure you're getting good product shots if your video is business related, and don't forget to add captions. The retention rate on a video with captions compared to one without is ridiculous, so unless you can magically force viewers to have a higher attention span, add captions. Make sure you're using good apps to help with the editing process. Use captions while recording, tweak with the filter and photos, then go to CapCut, add captions there, or if you've already added captions with the Captions app, focus on the effects. But don't overdo it with the effects because it's ugly. Step 5 is relatively the easiest part. Post. Make sure you're using relevant hashtags, that way your video is getting placed in front of the people who want to watch it. Now if you found this video useful, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, it helps me with engagement, and it's totally free, so good luck.